Hello y'all, today is Monday afternoon. I'm gonna cook dinner. I'm just gonna bake the chicken in the oven. I'm washing them and removing the skin and the fat. So I'm going to fry it and let it brown this chicken first. So I already put cooking oil. I'm just gonna brown them before I put them in the oven. And I preheat the oven already. I'm gonna sprinkle this chicken with a little bit black pepper and sea salt before oh my god, before I fry them. The oil is popping everywhere, so I'm gonna cover my my face with that. One, and oh my god, one, two, it's popping. Hi. I'm frying the chicken now. I peel 2 carrots and 2 potatoes. I'm going to stew onions and 2 potatoes, garlic and red onion. Also, I'm going to add celery later. I turn them over. The other side is already brown, so I'm browning the other side. I'm cutting these carrots like this. Washing these carrots and potatoes. I'm removing the oil a little bit because it's too much oil. I'm not going to cut the onions. I mean the garlic. I'm not going to cut them. I just stir fry like that. Now I'm going to add the onions. I'm just gonna stir fry this a little bit before I add it to my chicken. So now these, I'm gonna add it to my chicken. Yum. Smells so good. Now I'm gonna add my potatoes and carrots on the top of the chicken. And I'm gonna add this celery on the top. Because I want vegetables on my chicken. A lot of celeries, vegetables. So now these are the seasoning I'm gonna use. I'll sprinkle Creole seasoning, Maggi seasoning to make it taste better, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, parsley flakes, black pepper, and sea salt. Let's get started. Sprinkle this is the Maggi seasoning. There. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Parsley flakes. Oregano. Black pepper. And lastly, the sea salt. And lastly, I'm gonna put cream of mushrooms. 2 cans. I'm gonna use cream of mushrooms. Probably just use 1 can. Put a little bit water to rinse it out. I think 1 is enough. I just used 1. And I'm gonna cover it with foil. There you go. So there you go. I cover it with foil. Now I put it in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. I set it up for the temperature is 400 degrees. So it's in the oven now. So while I'm waiting for my chicken to get done, and I'm just gonna watch TV. I'm going to take a look at the chicken now. Looks so good, still boiling. Let's see if it's done. My camera fell. It fell. So my chicken is done. Y'all. I'm using it. So look at that. It's done. Smells so good. I'm going to taste. The potatoes are soft. Carrots done. Let me taste it. So my chicken is done, y'all, and thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate it. Please continue to watch my video, and please subscribe, which is Pinay Real Life in the USA. Thank you. You have a wonderful night. God bless. Bye bye.